it's Hanny. I thought let's put on the camera because I'm making a ephemera for this journal, which I'm going to sell in my Etsy shop when it's done. The journal is done, but there's nothing in it. And the only thing I'm going to put in it is maybe some pockets. I'm not sure, and some tuck spots. But the ephemera I'm going to make for it, I'm going to include that separate. So you can put your own things in it, put the ephemera there where you want it. When I'm ready with making ephemera for this journal, I'm going to do a flip through. I already made some ephemera, not only for that journal, but for more journals, some journaling cards. And I think I'm going to make some pockets now. And I have all kinds of things laying around here. I made a background paper. Just some colors on it and stamped on it. That's the background for these journaling cards. You see? And the only thing on this is, I put some kind of number on it and a little picture and some, maybe something else, some more ephemera or little thingies, and a piece of paper you can write on or glue something else on, and you can write on the back. So maybe I'm going to make a such a card now, or such a card. Can you make something like that? Maybe I do that, or just from this piece. I will cut this piece off. I can make something of that. I'm not sure if I'm going to talk the whole time, because, well, it's not always easy for me to, well, to talk through it with it, because I have to concentrate on what I'm doing and not what I have to say, and it's not my language. So yeah, I think I'm going to make something of that. I'm going to make some more ephemera, and I will speed it up with a little music behind it, and you can see what I'm doing. I hope you enjoy watching. I'm back again. I want to explain something. I use prefabbed stuff I already made, and I have videos of that. I think I'm going to link them somewhere in the video or in the description of the video. These are little, well, thingies I made, well, so I can glue them on things. And I have a video of that, I think. And these I made in magazines with papers. Well, you can write on neutral papers. How do we call them? So I can just use them to glue them on the back of this. I could leave it this way, but it's a bit flimsy. It's a bit heavy paper. I think it's 120 grams paper, I think, but it's a bit well, too flimsy for a journaling card, so I'm gluing this behind it. now I'm quitting filming. I made a few things today, and I'm going to make more things, but off camera. I made this pocket. I made this specimen doily. I don't know what I made more. I made a card. Which one? This one I made. I can't remember. Oh yeah, I have done something. A tuck spot I made. This one and this one, a journaling card and a specimen card. And what did I make more? A little tuck spot I made. Oh yeah, a little kind of belly band. A belly band. And you can put something behind this. And I did something more. What did I do? Oh yeah, a tuck spot here. That's what I made today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.